Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the 8th chapter of our English subject, that is peer profile. This is an activity based on project which will help us or help you to develop communication skill, oral skill, written skills. So do remember to try this activity. Before we begin with the lesson, let us understand certain things. The first and foremost, let's understand the meaning of peer. Peer means the persons of same age. So, who would be your peer? Your peer would be all the children of same age group. As you, that is all the students that are in standard 5. All the children or all the students of standard 5 would be your peer. Now let us understand the meaning of profile. Profile is a short description of someone. What is peer profile then? Peer profile means a short description of all the people of your age group. All the children of your age group give description of themselves that will be your peer profile. Now you take out your page number 19. Here now we'll learn how to make a peer profile with the help of this lesson. Okay. How are you going to carry out this project? Put this in this project, you will have to make 10 sheets of all this particular specimen. So they have given you what you have to do. You have to make 10 similar sheets. You can see here a sheet is given. Like that you have to make 10 similar sheets which this headline, whatever the headlines are given now, with same headline you have to make 10 sheets and leave the space blank here. Okay, and you have 10 sheets given to 10 children or 10 friends of same age group. It should not be any cousin or the parent or anyone elder than you, far elder than you. You have to give the peer profile to the person of your same age group. Okay, let us see the headlines, whatever it is given. Okay, my name. So here the headlines you have to keep as it is, but the space you have to give blank. Okay, the first is given my name. You have to give to your friend may write his or her name here. At home, they call me. Means at each and everyone's home there is a pet name. With that only him or her they are calling at home, so they can write that. My friend call me. Okay, friends also call us in different names, so that also you can write here. Some of the things I enjoy, what you enjoy to do or your friend enjoy to do, they can write here. Some of the things I appreciate means your friend likes to do such kind of thing or like about himself, they can write here. Okay, some of the things I fear. We also have fear of some things, that also you can write here. Some of the things I hate to do. There are some things which we don't like to do, that also you can write. Some of the things I have to do means it is very important. If you like or dislike, you have to do that thing, that also you have to write here. Some of the things I will never do. Some other things we at any time or at any difficult situation also you are not going to do, such kind of things also you have to write here. Some of my good habits. There are good habits, right, of ourselves, and we have to inculcate a good habits in us, so you can write here. Some of the bad habits, the bad habits which you don't like about yourself, you can write here, so that whenever you write about your bad habits, that will help us to not to do it again. Okay, my favorite personality, if you like some person, right, and he is your role model, you can write their name here, as well as why you like that person, that you have to write it down. Okay, such kind of peer profile you have to make 10 sheets and you have to give it to your friends. Okay, while preparing peer profile, what all things we have to remember, that we are going to see in the next page. See here in the first para, after you have collected and filled in sheets from your friends, what you have to do is, after the sheets were given to your friend, they have filled, then you have to collect it, go through all of them and make note. Means after they have given you the sheets, you have to read each and every points whatever they have written. Okay, make notes means you have to prepare a report. As in the school magazines or in your school calendar, they have given report about the incidents or the whatever they have celebrating in the school, like Republic Day and all. So such kind of report you have to make after you have collected the 10 sheets. Okay, and the reports you have to make with the points, whatever points you have to remember, that also it has been given, like likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. So you have to remember this all points while you are writing the report. You can present your report orally or in writing form. So report you can write written form also you can write, as well as in orally also you can present it. Okay, remember the following things when you are make a written or oral presentation. Whenever you are presenting the report, you have to remember some points. Let us see that. You need not mention the name of your friends in your presentation. Okay, whenever you are presenting the report, you should not mention your friend's name. For example, if anything if you are saying and that may hurt your friend, right? Keeping trust on you, they are filling the report or that peer profile, so you should not mention their name when you are saying the report. Okay, you should only give a summary of what you observe in the response given by many people. You should make a general report. You should not specify the persons with their name. So you should remember that whenever you present a report, you should not mention your friend's name. Okay, your presentation should clearly show what many or most people enjoy or appreciate, fear, etc. If in the sheets whatever you have seen, the most of the people love like to do or have fear of same thing, then you should present it. You should tell about that. And what only some of them mention, if only one or two have mentioned some kind of thing they don't like, they don't appreciate, or uh, their bad habits, like this also you can say. If necessary, you may point out what is not mentioned by any of the people. If you while preparing your peer profile, if you have some thought that your friend should be mentioned but they have not mentioned, that also you can see. For example, you may say that it appears that nobody is afraid of examination, as no one has included them in the things they fear. Means they have, if your friends have mentioned that they don't have fear about your examination, such kind of things also you can include while you are making a report or saying a report or writing a report. Okay, you should also mention what you found most interesting in your responses at the end of your presentation. If while reading your report, your friend's peer profile, if you have thought that it is very funny or very interesting, so that it also you can say. Okay, you must take care to see that you do not hurt someone's feeling when you get the sheets filled or when you make their presentation. So whenever you have to keep in your mind that whenever you are presenting your report, you should not hurt the person. Innocently also you should not hurt them. This you have to remember. Okay, so in this we have understood how to make a peer profile, and after that how to make a report, and what all things we have to remember while writing a report. Okay, and this helps this project you should do by your own. If you are not able to find your friends of same age, you can send them by email or you can send the picture in their WhatsApp, right? and you can collect the information. You can write and report of it. It helps you to your written skill as well as speaking skills and all. So you should try this activity by your own. Because of COVID-19, there is no possibility to collect your information of your friends by peer profile. If it is not compulsory, if you can do it, you can collect 3 or 4 students peer profile by sending them screenshot or the image, whatever you are going to prepare, the points and all. You can send it by WhatsApp and collect the information. It will help you, as we are giving this project, because it is going to help you to improve your language language study as well as your pronunciation and all. So please try to do this project, but it is not compulsory. If you are willing to do, you can do it. Okay, so don't get nervous that you are not going, don't get confused that you have to do compulsory. If you can do it, you can do. Okay.